Around 10 minutes before midnight on Tuesday night, Bradford County Fire Department was called into a structural fire on Route 14 in Troy Township. After numerous calls from citizens, multiple fire departments, as well as over a dozen agencies from around four counties crossing both New York State and Pennsylvania came to assist, including South Creek and Creighton's Fire Department, Ridgebury and Western EMS, as well as TNR Environmental, came along the ride to assist with the fire at Cummings Lumber. The wood supplier, based in Troy, Pennsylvania, has been in the community for just under 100 years. According to Norm Steffi, vice president of Cummings, there are no injuries on the scene, but the fire did damage controls for the boiler system, the head of the sawmill, as well as the complete loss of the chipper room. The rest of the building was able to be saved by fire crews before any further damage. He told us it is not currently known how long it may take to replace the damaged parts, but the building will still be able to run at portion. A return to full capacity looks to be a minimum of 8 months. Norm Steffi, the vice president at Cummings, says the situation has given him a renewed appreciation for the men and women in fire services who came out in battle ablaze around midnight trying to minimize the damages. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Bradford County.